Hi everybody, Alex here from Expert Forex, and in today's video I'm going to answer this question: how much money can I make from copy trading? A very basic question that everybody should be asking. And remember, Expert Forex is all about helping traders make better trading decisions. Now, it all started today when I received an email from one of our free investment account users that said, "Hi team, just wondering how much money can I make if I want consistent income on a monthly basis. So please suggest to me the minimum amount I need to deposit to make around $1,000 a month using copy trading." That's what the question is. Don't worry about the cents because that's a distraction. We're just going to be talking about US dollars here. So I'm going to try and answer this question, and it's not an easy one because it is a bit like how long is a piece of string. It's all relative to the trading account you're going to link to. So that's why I'm going to analyze a number of trading accounts, and then hopefully that will answer how much money can I make from copy trading and how much money do I need to generate $1,000 a month. Okay, so let's start with a reference, because the reference is always good, and we're going to look at the average pension fund investment or even property investment or even stock exchange investment. And when we look at this, we're looking at the dividends, the rental income, and then pension income would be obviously the investment income that you live off. So these days, an investment income of 6% a year is actually quite good, and that equates to 0.5% a month. So I'm just using ballpark figures to give you a reference to what you're going to be seeing later on. So the calculation is, how much do I need to make $1,000 per month? And how you do it is you just divide it by your monthly percentage gain or percentage income. So that would be 0.5%, which is 0.5%. And the answer is, when you divide it, the answer is $200,000. Now that sounds an amazing amount, but let's double check ourselves. We do a test. We say, all right, I've got that much in my pension fund. I'm getting 0.5% a month. If you multiply 0.5% by that, you get $1,000 per month. Or alternatively, $12,000 a year if you use the 6% on the annual basis. So here's our reference. What we're saying is you need $200,000 in a conventional investment to make $1,000 a month. Scary, but true. The other thing to consider is that the bigger this amount is, this $200,000, the more risk you're exposed to, because Mr. Trump can just get up and say something silly, and he can wipe 10% off the financial markets, and suddenly you've lost $20,000 while you're trying to earn $1,000 per month. So this is absolutely not risk-free. There's still a bit of risk in this amount, and you want to keep that amount as low as possible so that it's not exposed to these huge fluctuations. Okay, so now let's start looking at some of the accounts that we have in the copy service. And you actually only need two bits of information. You need the monthly return, and you need the performance fee, because the performance fee has to be deducted off the monthly return to get your correct monthly return. And I'm going to be looking at the Expert Daily Scalper link 230C, one of the most followed accounts. That's 74 investors are following that particular account, and it's making 4% a month, and it has a performance fee of 18%. So let's go and do the calculations. Let's go and do the maths. Quite tricky. So this is the first example. So the copy account, it makes, and I'm rounding these up, it makes 5% a month. The performance fee is 20%. So the income after performance fee is 4%. So 20% of 5 is 1%, so you deduct that, that's 4%. Then we do the same calculation as we did before. We said, okay, we want that amount of income and we earning 4%. It says, okay, mate, you are going to need $25,000, because if you had $25,000 and you made 4% a month, you would earn $1,000. Now, I hope you follow that logic. We're going to be following this logic 4 times over, so sooner or later it will sort of gel with you. But that is the basic calculation, and that is answering our inquiry. In the first place, we said the inquiries, so far we are answering it and saying you need 25,000 to earn $1,000 a month. Again, remember this reference. Already we've got a nice reduction on our 200,000. We've now down to 25,000. And the reason why so many people are following this one is because it's a relatively safe investment that is generating small amounts of monthly income with relatively low risk. And as you can see, there's the earnings chart. And the other thing is, I made another video about all the 360 accounts that are linkable in the copy service. Here is the actual video that I made. I will have a link to this video in the description of the video, and also in the first commentary of the video. Okay, so let's move on to another account. So now I'm going to show you the extremely aggressive account on the other side of the spectrum. So in other words, it does incur more risk than normal. This account is trades gold, and it's very aggressive. The name actually says it's aggressive. It's called the high risk gold Expert Forex aggressive account on MT5. It trades on MT4. There's a performance fee of 20%, so we know that's what. But look at the monthly income; it is 200%. So this trader started with $1,000 account, and as you can see, it has now grown to $9,000. So the growth has been phenomenal. Really great account. High risk, and you can see there's quite a good following of 36 investors there. And then note that now the minimum balance, although the trader started with $1,000, the minimum dollars for a safe following is $4,000. So let's go and do the sums. So the account makes 200% per month. The performance fee is 20%. The income is therefore 160% is what you would get in your account. The calculation, again, the goal is that much, and you just divide it by the monthly return, and the answer is a mere $600. So you can, by investing $600 and a return of that a month, you're generating $1,000. But we have seen that the minimum is $4,000, so we're going to have to take that number, and the test is $4,000 times that gives you an income of $6,400. Now, I must warn you, this account is an exceptional account, and it is doing well. The trader has toned down the aggressiveness of the account a little bit, but it is doing pretty well. In fact, I have invested it in, and I made this video, and I show my trading account that I've linked to this particular one. If you want to go and have a look at that in a lot of detail, you can go and see that. I have already withdrawn $2,000 out of this account, so it is working, and you need to go and watch that video for more information. But that's the other side of the spectrum. So again, let's have a recap. The one is 200,000. The next one is 25,000. Now we are down to 4,000. Okay, let's carry on to the next account. So the next account is also based on the 230CA. It trades that account slightly more aggressively, and therefore it generates 10% a month. And it's very easy to trade that account more aggressively. All you use is a multiplier when you're copying these accounts. You said the normal multiplier is 1, but if you want to get aggressive, like for instance this one, it most probably has a multiplier of 2.5, and that is why the income has gone up. So this one has that income. There is the name of the account, and by the way, when you click on that name, you find all this information that I'm showing you. And when you click on invest, this is the information that you also see. So that's how you get to these bits of information. And there's the performance fee, also 20%. And the minimum balance on this one is 1,000, but it is a main account. It is a standard account. You cannot trade this with cent accounts. Okay, so that's we've got a bit of information, 10%, and we've got our 20%. So let's go further. So the copy account makes 10%. The performance fee is 20%. Therefore, the net effect, in other words, what you get into your account, is 8%. So the calculation of $1,000 per month divided by 8% is 12,500. So if you had 12,500 and you made 8%, if you multiply that out, it is $1,000 a month. That's quite amazing. And again, we have a capital of 12,500. So we'll compare the capital as we go along, but here's another comparison that you can do. But that's how the logic works. That's how you work it out. You just take the average monthly income percentage, divide by your goal, and you get the answer of how much money you need. And again, I've made a great video on this one. This particular one, I've shown step by step how it trades, how it works, and all that. I'm very, very well viewed video this was, and I also provide the settings for traders who already have the robot that trades this strategy. Then we move on to another account, the fourth account that we're moving on to, and that's the Link to Success link 640K. And again, you click on that and it takes you to all of this information, much more than I'm showing here, but it will take you to it. And this particular one has an income of 6% a month and weekly a performance fee of 20%. But now this account has got something special that the others don't have, and let's see what that is. This account has a very low drawdown of, let's say, 8%. Whereas all those other previous accounts, and here's the names, 24%, 41%, 26%. So you can see that this account, the risk of this account is relatively low compared to the other accounts. Now, if you are happy with these other account risk, you can easily use a multiplier of 3 to equate this account to the other accounts. And that's what I'm suggesting here. So therefore, you can increase your monthly income by using a multiplier of 3 from 6% to 18%. So when you find an account like this that's got this fantastically low drawdowns with a reasonable income of 6%, then you can do these kind of things. And it's just a strategy. I'm not suggesting you should be doing it, but it is a potential strategy you can use. So what then happens to the figures is we have now a copy account that makes 18% a month. Performance fee is 20%. So the net effect is a 14% a month return. Now, again, if we do the calculation of the $1,000 per month divided by 14%, we then get a capital requirement of $7,200. And the test, again, if you had $7,200 and you earned 14% a month, I must stress a month, then that is what you would be earning. So we've done calculations on a few of the copy accounts, and as you can see, there is no fixed answer to the question that was asked because it depends on the nature of the account that you're copying. So here's the question that was asked, and I'm sure that I'm sort of closer to answering that question because I've given 5 examples of investments and the amount of capital that you need to generate $1,000. I'm going to just quickly review that. So the investment approach needs $200,000. The conservative 230 CA approach, $25,000. Very aggressive HR Gold approach, very risky and aggressive, needs $4,000. And the standard account, which is a aggressive version of the 230 CA, needs $12,500. And then the last one that we saw needed $7,200. So I hope I've given you some ideas about the potential capital that you need. And the question was sort of asked in terms of cent accounts. This is USD value, so don't worry about cent accounts. If you're talking about $1,000 a month, you wouldn't use cent accounts, you'd use AUD accounts, standard accounts. Now I hope I've given you some ideas on how to plan your copy service strategies, and I've answered the question because in the end most traders are trading to make a steady income, to build capital, and this question that was asked is very relevant to all traders, and I'm so pleased that the person asked the question. As always, links to anything mentioned in this video will be in the description of the video as well as in the commentary of the video. So from me, Alex Deploy, cheerio. Just a quick disclaimer, this video has been made as an educational, entertaining and informative video for its viewers. It is not personal advice, and what works for some traders might not work for you. Please consult your financial advisor before trading. Trading is very risky and you can lose all your capital. It is not a get-rich scheme. Past results do not guarantee future results. There is no guarantee of easy success or good results in Forex trading. You cannot achieve the same results in the future by simply copying strategies and settings used by other traders in the past.